Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel, and today is Sunday and it's time for a shave. Real quick, I'm gonna wet my face. Got a couple days worth of growth. It's time for a shave. Today's shave soap is going to be by Stirling, and this is Iceberg Island. Sean, you made me break mine out. Mine, I did not get the full tub. I got a puck refill. That's why my label looks a little smaller. Thumbnail. And I have the matching splash. Beautiful. And I have it whipped up in my Captain's Choice copper bowl. I'm using this Trotters handcraft brush, and so it reminds me of the nice tropical water on top of an iceberg. I'm gonna go ahead and get lathered up here for pass number 1. And do you know what I love about Stirling? Is they have glacial or mentholated soaps and splashes. I really love some menthol. If you're curious, I'm tongue-tied today, blah, blah, blah. If you're curious about the scent, I'll put a little picture right here for the scent profile. This is their take. Well, this is actually the Island Man, but with the glacial additive, and that's why they call it Iceberg. But it is their take on the Virgin Island water by Creed. It's a very nice scent. And today I'm going to be using the Blackland Vector with the open comb because I feel like I need to mow it down. And I have a feather super blade in there. Here we go, pass number 1. Effortlessly, so nice. I've been thinking about doing another video with this razor and another razor, kind of a showdown, if you would say, between Artisan Club style razors. If that sounds like an interesting video to you, comment below and let me know. Can already feel the menthol chasing around my eyes. And I was going to say the name of the razor that I was wanting to do. For some reason, the name is escaping my mind at this point. I know it will come to me. It's you know what razor I'm talking about. It's the razor I just got not too long ago. The tell me, come on, help me with the mental stuff here. Anyway, it's the bronze razor that looks similar to this. That's one of the problems when you start getting so much stuff you can't remember all of it. I can picture it just now. It's got the little emblem on the bottom of the handle. Anyway, let's talk about the soap. Maybe it'll come to me when and I know people are shouting, it's the beep. Anyway, the soap is very nice. I really enjoy that cooling effect. We had a little bit of a heat wave last week, and I think is it Wednesday this week? It's supposed to start dropping back down cool for a little bit, which will be very nice. Pass number 2 across the grain. I could do some trickery, and when I'm cleaning up between coming back, I could get that razor out and read the name, but I don't know why. I don't know why I can't think of it. Isn't that terrible when you know what you're trying to say and you've said it a bunch of times, but then all of a sudden your mind just draws a blank and you're like, you know what you're trying to say. I hate that. And then the more you concentrate on it, the less you can remember. Oh. I'm trying to think back on that video, some of the things I talked about. Anyway, the shave is going real nice. I needed to shave, and it feels nice to have all that extra stubble off. I'm gonna go get cleaned up with some cold water, and I might think of the name of that razor when I be right back. For some reason, in my mind, I kept wanting to say the Edge razor, but I knew that wasn't right. I'm gonna apply the matching Stirling splash. What a nice scent. I love that blue. If you guys have ever been out on the ocean around any of the tropical places, if you get kind of farther out or an area where there's not really a reef with stuff splashing, you'll see, maybe not this dark, but you'll see water that is this kind of crystal clear blue, and it's so beautiful. I'm gonna follow that up with some star jelly. I'm kind of waiting for a little bit more menthol to kick in, but not really feeling too much of it today. And I forgot the ice cube for my post-shave routine. That would have really set it off, wouldn't it? All right, so honestly, I did remember the name of the razor. When I saw it, boom, it popped into my mind. It is the Shield razor, this one. And I don't know why I kept thinking the other name. Anyway, if you guys would like to see a shave off between these two razors, I'd already told you, comment. But anyway, I'll put a little picture right here of everything I used, and I will see you guys on Will It Shave Wednesday. You have a great rest of your weekend.